just waiting for AAA to come, get us into our RV. And she breaks her knee. It's gonna have to be some sort of, upside down thing or something.
Things I do for my husband. And watch, he's gonna probably go home and take a shower.
Oh, of course. Oh, there's a bit of a drop off here.
Holy Helga!
There she goes. There she goes. Whoa. There it is. The sound of a national park. Hi. Let's go scout out a spot.
This time as well. This is our first fun spot.
Really?
Well, on the beach, on a water.
That's how you define fun? Uh-huh. You had a pretty cool one camped on the edge of a gorge.
True. But that was cold.
Oh. Well, the winds are supposed to be here on Monday, so we may be changing our tune. But why don't you stop right about there and see what I got. That view does not suck.
See if I parked my RV down here.
Look at the sand.
Well, you gotta go a different way.
Yeah, I know. This would not be the way to go.
No.
There's got to be a better, more compacted area. Did you burn my marshmallow?
Ooh. That's why for you. You're welcome.
So it's 8:30 in Utah, 7:30 in Page, right?
Yeah.
And we're right on the bed. So my phone says it's 8:30, but
My phone says it's 7:30.
really?
No, kidding.
Oh,
It
yeah.
used to. We used to have to.
Well, I think as soon as we come out of here and take a left and start heading towards Page, we cross from Utah back into Arizona, and then there'll be the change. So we're depending on which tower you're hitting, the time is screwed up. So we're gonna go gain an hour with a 5-minute drive and have breakfast. You're harassing the dogs. Leave the dogs alone.
Where's the third one? There he is. Come on, give me a face. There we go. There we go. Good morning.
So we had to change the restaurant we were going to because she saw they had Pepsi.
Yep.
So now we're at Denny's. Can't go wrong with Denny's for breakfast. Breakfast of Champions. Where are we going next?
Horseshoe Bend. Another FJ. Give him the wave. Or is that the same one?
Oh,
he did wave.
See that? We got the FJ wave.
Wow.
He doesn't know the secret FJ wave though.
There isn't a secret.
No, but we got to start one. I got to go online and start a new. It's gonna have to be some sort of upside down thing or something cool like that. Then they'll know. Man, there's a lot more people than so many people.
Huh?
So many people. And I just dropped my camera.
Yes, you did.
For the first time ever. Seems like it's all right. We'll find out when I look at it tonight.
Go like that, and we'll go down there and not come back this way because that doesn't look pretty, right?
I'd rather hang out with a whole bunch of people.
I know you do.
I'm kind of into it. What time is our fast pass? There it is. The sound of a national park. Every national park.
And it's so hard because we used to be there, but now we're not.
We're not.
And
Well,
all,
I'm not. Nothing wrong with it. It's just kids get tired and bored and hungry.
So green down there.
Yeah, it is. There's so many more kayaks than when we were here last time. Look at them all. What was that?
They said, remind me to Google how many people die here.
You think people die here?
Yeah, oh yeah.
From just trying to get the perfect selfie
Yep,
and slipping off the edge?
like I do.
Probably not the same as Angel's Landing, though. There's a video for that, in case you're wondering.
Yeah,
Especially if you want to do it in a thunderstorm
and rain.
and rain. Oh, look. Ancient petroglyphs. Huh. You see any more tourists
No,
now that they've had to walk 2/10 of a mile further? Oh, there's the wind.
now you know why I like hikes that you have to earn, because not everybody goes there.
Exactly. There you go. Our people-
Do not stand there. Look how thin that is.
Envious much?
Well, I don't even know how thin or thick this is.
That's a good point. So much nicer down here.
Where there's no people.
Where it's not crowded. How's that?
Sheer cliffs.
Not gonna jump?
No.
Wow, look at them down there now. They're flying. They got the wind behind them now.
That's why they say they drag you upstream and then they drop you.
All right, let's head back. Let's go back to the people. Our people. You don't want to try to jump over that?
No.
Get a running start
Nope.
and then just leap?
No.
I think we could do it.
No.
What do you mean no? It's not that
Stop.
big a fall.
Stop.
Look at the lizard.
Huh?
The lizard's just sunning himself. You don't think we can make that jump? I think we can make that jump.
We're not jumping.
Come on, I'll play some Mission Impossible soundtrack behind us.
Can you walk right there? I'm not walking right there. Nope. I gotta go up.
All right. Seems to me like you're much more adventurous when I'm not around.
I still don't think I would have done that.
I don't know.
I gotta have like 3 feet bubble around me.
I don't know. I've seen some of the stuff you've done.
It's definitely something out there on that sand, because
Yeah.
now it really looks white.
You
Like,
mean on the sandbar in the middle?
yeah, no, not in the middle.
Oh, where I saw those little buildings?
Yeah.
Maybe it's a Tesla charging station.
Oh, that's what it looks like.
Yeah, I think that's what it is.
Yeah. You want to go down there?
I don't think so.
Okay.
We're getting close to people again.
Yeah.
We can probably head back. Go do the Hanging Gardens Trail maybe.
Okay. I kind
not
of
a
want to go
goat.
up on that big thing.
I'm more of a sheep. Is there such a
Bah.
thing? Is there such a thing as a mountain sheep?
Yeah. Did you see the one that fell over crossing the road the other day?
Yeah. Well, there was the one that was rolling around on the ground. I couldn't tell if that was a goat or a sheep or a dog.
And we're back to people.
And civilization. We survived. Where were we at, honey?
Horseshoe Bend.
Horseshoe Bend. Probably the most popular tourist attraction in Page, Arizona, because it's a short little hike down to see the view. And we did this 2 years ago, pretty much to the same week, right?
Yeah.
In April?
Yeah.
And we did it at sunrise when there were maybe 20 cars here when we got here at sunrise, and then it started to pick up.
Yeah.
Hanging Garden Trail. It looks warm. I think I'll wait here for you. Good thing they put these rocks here for us. Tell us where to go. That's we really don't want you going over there where the dam is. And then crazy people like you said, no, I must go higher. What is that rock up there? Let's go up there.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Not really.
Oh, I am off trail. Sorry. Sorry. Getting back on trail.
Sticky and pokey.
Spoken like a true hiker. It's too sticky and pokey to go up there.
Well, I don't think they were supposed to.
Well, it looks like it comes out back this way. Oh, there they are. There's the hanging gardens.
Why are they dying?
I'm going to guess lack of water.
There is water.
Not a lot, though.
Oh, it's nice and moist back there. People way up there.
Are you jealous?
A little bit.
That looks like someone trying not to get sand in their shoes. How effective was it?
Not very.
Yeah, well.
Are we supposed to sign in?
Well, not now. I'm pretty sure you're not going to get lost on that trail.
Strava.
How many miles was that?
I'm guessing.
Mile and a half?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's about right. It's easy though.
Yeah.
It's a good one for families. Oh, look at this.
Oh, wow.
Coming up. What happens when you explore? You find cool stuff. Oh, look at that. What we found? A pretty view. Let's go.
Gotta make out?
Huh? What was that?
Make out.
That's make out?
At the
Ah, we're making out now, I guess. Like a dog to water. This is easy to get to. It's just not really marked, and it's not really on all trails, I don't think. Well, that was a cool little find. If you're coming from the city of Page, headed out towards the dam, right before you get to the dam, there's a gravel road right where the hanging gardens parking area is, and you keep going down that gravel road about a half a mile. And coolness.
Voila!
Yeah. Yeah, I thought that might happen. The downside of having an awesome campsite is that sand is just everywhere. And it's not even being tracked in. It's getting blown in from places like the slide, holes in the slide. And screen windows that can only screen so much.
This actually feels okay. It must just be coming in.
It's coming in from the slide, yeah. Yeah, it's windy, and the problem is the slide. When you slide the slide out, the tracks that the slide goes out on, there's holes around the arms that extend underneath on the bottom. So even with seals all the way around the outside, there's still areas where there's gaps, air gaps, where stuff can come through. So when it's cold in the winter, you get cold air coming in. When it's windy and sandy like this, you get, we came back from being gone all day, and there's just a thin layer of sand all over everything inside the kitchen and living room area and everything else. And our mat was completely blown away almost. We had a bunch of rocks on it. Peggy's doing more. Looks like she's doing more CrossFit now. keep the rat down. Oh, there she goes.
In this egg beater, try and get up the hill.
Oh no, I was watching my wife do CrossFit.
Oh.
Here he comes. Will he make it? Oh, he's got speed. Oh no, no. And now, if he keeps trying, he's gonna sink.
I'm gonna need more wine for this.
Buddy, I'm pretty sure if you go over that way,
Uh-huh.
it's flat and you can just go right up.
He's having fun.
I don't think he is. You think he's having fun? Or is he just on a mission? This is, it's like Wahweap viewpoint, right up above the sort of Wahweap village where the campground is and the hotel is and the restaurant and everything. Hi.
Hi.
Is there anything to see here?
So, look, there's another marina or something out there.
Yeah. Today is a long work day for me. I have a lot of meetings today. And it's a little overcast today. A little cloudy. Not an ugly place to camp.
Mm-mm.
Are you going to do the one that
Yeah.
goes through the canyon and in the water? And you get wet?
But I don't know if I can hike 14 miles in my water shoes.
Well, it's an out and back, right? So you go as far as you want and turn around and go back.
But see, here's my problem.
You won't quit. That
Well,
is
I
that
don't
is
get-
your problem. You always
Like I said-
like for the last 2 weeks you've been kind of like, I don't know if I'm going to go for a hike today. And then I kick you out of the RV. And then you come back and you're like, oh my god, that was the coolest thing ever.
What it's supposed to, it says it has the longest slot canyon in the U.S. Isn't that what that said?
Yeah. So that's the longest lock canyon in the U.S. Yeah. Bye bye.
Love you.
Have fun.
Yeah, whatever. Okay, here we go. Going to do Priya Canyon. It's like a 14.5 mile out and back to the U.S.'s longest slot canyon. And we're off starting at 9:30. I'm following this river. And at this point, I'm trying to just leapfrog across the water. Pretty cool. Long hike, but just a walk. Walk in the park, except for my feet are freezing. Chilly willy. We're in a slot canyon with water, pretty much like the Narrows.
Split 5,
And
days, 30 minutes.
I would rather do this than the Narrows. Now granted, it's gonna be Done at 6 miles, so I gotta go 6 miles back. And there's still more of this, but you can do the walk. Less crowds and just as beautiful. Just looked at my mileage and stuff. Yeah, it's not 15 round trip. It's 15 there. And I'm at 7 something. So I'm gonna have to turn around here. But I wanna sit and have lunch in the sun somewhere. So I'm gonna go a smidge further because I see something really cool ahead. And then I'm gonna have to turn around. And then we just keep going. And I love that sound. I keep saying I'm gonna stop taking pictures and just enjoy, but then I turn a corner and I go, oh my God, that's beautiful. Beautiful day for a windy hike. Ooh.
It's 5 o'clock here now, so I've been in meetings for 8 hours today, and it has just been non-stop wind all day today. It's actually really beautiful if you don't have to be out in it. Peggy went for a, I want to say a 10-mile hike today. I didn't. She was going to come back after lunchtime and pick up the laundry and go do laundry, but it's, like I said, it's about 5 o'clock here now, and she just texted to say she just finished her hike. Of course, something broke. I don't know when it happened, but there's a, over the stove, there's a, you know, your typical stovetop vent that you would turn on when you're cooking or something, and it vents out the side of the RV, and there's a little door on the outside that sort of, you know, it'll pop up when you turn the vent on so the air can flow out. That door apparently snapped off and flew away because it's gone. I had to go tape up that hole because you might even be able to see it if we go and look here on the countertop. Yeah, there's sand. There's sand all because it came down through. You can see that's, I'll have to vacuum all that up and wipe everything down.
I'm not getting out until it stops.
Oh, okay. Well, then you're going to be there for a few hours because it's been like this for hours and hours.
Are you dusty in there?
No, I'm pretty good. So if you could keep your dust out, that'd be awesome. There she goes. There she goes. Whoa. Jesus. Hi.
Oh my gosh. I've been by myself all day except for this one family hiking into camp. And all of a sudden I heard footsteps in the water behind me. And I turn around, there's 2 guys running. I'm like, oh. So I'm like, where are you guys coming from? He's like, oh, we came from Wire Pass. And they're running. And I go, well, how far will you go today? He's like, 21, 22. And then 5 more people come running. They were doing some sort of
Endurance thing.
yeah. I didn't go do laundry.
Oh, I thought you were supposed to be back here early to get the laundry and go do laundry. That's what you said originally.
It was a 15-mile hike.
How's my hair? This is what 4 weeks for that haircut looks like for John in a windstorm.
Roads have changed a bit.
You mean as far as being slippery?
Yeah.
So stay on the gravel is what you're saying?
I might.
Yeah, that's fine.
Because I
Don't want to be like that guy last night who got stuck and had to have a tow truck come pull him out.
Oh, is that the garbage?
Yeah, I guess I could have jumped out. If I was a gentleman, I would have.
Yeah, but you're not.
But I'm not.
Cuidado.
You're dirtier than me. So it's that.
That's Hava's. Is that?
Maybe. Maybe not.
Oh, it's. I just can't tell if it's Mooney or Havasu.
So excited.
To talk to strangers.
To make new friends. Have them over for dinner tonight.
Be with somebody other than John.
I am fun. I took you to dinner last night.
Mm-hmm.
I took you to dessert at Burger King.
That was the worst ice cream ever.
And then I took you
The laundromat.
to that cool club, also known as Laundromat. FaceTime with your son.
Yeah, got to see my boy.
I mean, that's an evening right there.
He told us all about the police that came to join his party.
Some girl came up to me and was like, someone sent me to come get you. There's a man with a bat in your cul-de-sac and he just hit someone's car.
Oh!
Oh. The joys of college guys. College guys having a house, hooping it up in McMinnville. Okay, have fun. Don't drown.
All right, so I'm on my way to go on a kayak and lower Antelope Canyon tour. Pretty excited. Even though my husband wanted me to go by myself, I'll do a tour all by my own lonesome. I wanted some people. Hopefully they're nice people. Fun people.
Jump in the antelope here. There's a dry waterfall underneath the water that normally you wouldn't be able to access Antelope Canyon this way unless the lake was here.
Antelope Canyons. Never been here before. It's pretty cool. I would like to go sit and enjoy my view now that it's not windy. Enjoy my dinner, which I'm not hungry right now yet for.
What did you eat for lunch?
I didn't have lunch. I just ate chips and animal cookies.
Chips and animal cookies. Well, we kind of need to clean up our porch
Yes, and make it.
because it's just a pile of
Of
sand and stuff.
Yeah.
Get our table set up. I had to get the Blackstone out. All that jazz, right?
Yes.
He's cooking.
Would you like a onion volcano? Yeah. You gonna put some shrimp in your hat?
What's for dinner?
A very thick front steak. It's
Well,
gonna
remember,
take a very, very long
I
time
like
to
my
cook.
meat raw now, remember?
Okay. People have fires, and for whatever reason, they're burning wood with nails in it. It's like,
Do you think you don't think the stuff they buy at the...
no. I think they're just all
Bring their own.
bringing scrap wood, and it's like, how about taking the nails out, guys? Or at least cleaning up your nails afterwards. Tumbleweed, how did you get in there?
They were in Antelope Canyon. So I wonder how high this water comes up in September.
I'm going to guess that it comes up to close to where the RVs are.
Yeah.
Not a bad view. For a little post-dinner 5-mile hike.
Really?
I know. Go
All right.
work with me.
Half mile.
Oh, really? That's big for me.
That's a big
Move that decimal. There's your 5. I already packed up the RV since we have to leave at 6 a.m. tomorrow. Somebody's not happy that I packed her chair. So we look like a couple of people who locked themselves out of their RV. We're just waiting for AAA to come get us into our RV. Rolling out an hour before sunrise so we can get to our destination. I tell you, as dump stations go, it's an awfully pretty one. I get 7 gallons of water, and then I get that. No idea.
People call it maize.
Your people call it corn. Who you kidding? Utah, Utah, Utah.
My phone switch yet?
Utah, Utah, Arizona, the Grand Canyon State. That was the early wake up,
Yeah.
5 a.m. Kind of dilly dallied a little, but I think we did all right.
Ow.